double duvets in this washer. BEKO, I don't know if you can see, but you can actually see the top of the drum. And that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's just about managed to fit in, and now it's rotating a lot better since the water level's dropped. Stunning. I can't get over this. It's absolutely bloody brilliant. Bloody hell. You definitely need to subscribe for this. This is actually a double duck feathering down duvet. I'm going to try and get a picture to show you what it looks like once I've laid it on my bed and that. I'll try and get it on screen right now for you. This is amazing. I can't get over that. You can see the top of the drum. Usually when you cram stuff in like this, it never rotates very well, but this has done bloody well. It's all wet.